Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Jenny Horn, here to take you through today's market action. Let's take a look at where markets closed to end the week. The S&P 500 posted its worst week since February, falling 2.5%. The Dow shed roughly 2%, and both the Nasdaq 100 and Russell 2000 lost 2.6% this week. Now let's look at the leading and lagging sectors for the week. 10 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors fell, with utilities being the lone gainer, adding about 1.25%. Losses were led by over 6% drops in communications and energy. Let's now recap some stocks that made news this week. Amazon was one of the brightest spots in Friday's session, jumping almost 7% following its quarterly results. Amazon reported 13% year-over-year growth in revenue on profits that nearly tripled. It also mentioned stabilization in AWS, recording a 12% jump year-over-year in that segment and healthy 30% margins. Alphabet suffered its worst day in over a year on the back of its third quarter print. The stock fell almost 10% this week and is now off its yearly highs by about 13.5%. Third quarter revenue rose 11% from last year on earnings that also topped estimates. The company also highlighted the recovery in its ad business, but this was offset by slowing momentum for its cloud segment, which is losing ground to Microsoft and Amazon. And Meta Platforms closed out the week down almost 4%, even with its near 3% gain on Friday. Comments from the company's CFO overshadowed strong results, with a beat on its top and bottom line, as well as daily active users and average revenue per user. The company warned of economic softness as a result of geopolitical tensions, which sent shares lower. Let's look at what to watch for next week. The FOMC meeting begins Tuesday, and the Fed will announce their latest interest rate decision on Wednesday. We'll also get the October jobs report on Friday. And earnings season rolls on. Apple, McDonald's, Starbucks, Pfizer, and Airbnb are among the companies reporting quarterly earnings next week. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Jenny Horn. Remember to tune in 24/7 to theschwabnetwork.com.